Hi, my name's Laura, and in this video I'm going to explain a little about solar panels so you can decide whether they're something that's worth you investing in. Most people think you have to be rich to be able to afford a solar PV, which is not true at all. With Nationwide Renewables, you can get your solar system and arrange a 5, 7 or 10-year payment plan with only £500 deposit. By the way, before I forget, right now we're offering an exceptional deal for our solar customers where you can get an additional package for free, which is worth £1,725. This package includes a free smart thermostat, a free aftercare service package for 10 years, free remote monitoring to ensure every panel is performing at peak for 5 years. We also change all of your light bulbs to LED bulbs, all free of charge. To take advantage of this offer before it ends, book your free assessment by clicking the link below. So, why should you consider using a solar panel and its smart technology? Besides the obvious benefit of carbon emissions reduction, which makes it environmentally friendly, you will be generating your own energy. Your energy usage will be more efficient, and you can even claim cash back from the extra energy that your solar produces. Our customers on average save £543 a year. Also, according to the Department of Energy and Climate Change, energy saving measures boost house prices by up to 14%, so the value of your house increases too. So, it's a no-brainer that solar panels are one of the best investments you could make. If you liked what you learned today and want us to assess your house and let you know how much you can save with a solar system, then click the link below and arrange your free on-site assessment. Don't forget, if you apply now, you'll receive an additional package for free worth £1,725. Thanks for watching.